Everybody, here we go. This is Keith here, the Fat Yankee, my friends. So listen, we are going to make a beef jerky recipe today. We're going to make a scratch-made barbecue beef jerky, okay? So I know a lot of folks go out there and they get barbecue sauce that's pre-made, you know, in the container from the store, and that's great too, okay? But we got the time here, and we want to show you how to make a nice scratch-made barbecue sauce beef jerky, okay? So we're going to start off, guys, with our 2 pounds of black Angus beef. You know it, right, my friends? So listen, this scratch-made beef jerky, this doesn't have like it doesn't have overpowering taste. It's a very kind of a little bit of a sweet beef jerky. Okay, it's just a nice barbecue beef jerky. Okay, so this is again 2 pounds of black Angus beef, guys. So let's get started with our ingredients. We got more ingredients over here than you can shake a stick at, my friends. So let's get started. We'll be here forever. Okay, guys, as you know, we're going to start off with our soy sauce. This is what we use for a cure. We're going to use a half a cup of soy sauce here, my friends. Okay? So this is going to sit inside the beef jerky here, curing and marinating for 48 hours, as you know it. All right? So that's our soy sauce. Now, we're going to add something that is one of the foundations of barbecue sauce, okay? We're going to add our ketchup. Okay, so we're going to do a half a cup of ketchup, guys. There we go. Let me rinse that out. All right, so we got our ketchup in there. We got our soy sauce, guys, a half a cup of each. All right, so now that's the foundation. Now here's the other thing. Apple cider vinegar, a key ingredient inside barbecue sauce. Okay, so this apple cider vinegar, we're going to use 1/3 cup of apple cider vinegar. We don't want this vinegar taste to overpower the barbecue sauce. All right, but if you don't know this, I will tell you that vinegar acts as a curing agent as well. Okay, guys, so that's why we use it in pickling and bottling and canning and things like that. So apple cider vinegar. Okay, now next we're going to add our brown sugar. Guys, this is going to give that barbecue sauce a nice sweetness. All right, so we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Now, if you like your barbecue sauce a little sweeter like I do, you can add a little bit more. Okay, so 1/4 is what the recipe calls for, but put a little topper on that. It's not going to kill anybody. Okay, it's a nice little sweet barbecue sauce. Okay, guys. All right, my friends, this is what it's looking like. Look at all those nice colors in there right now. Okay, we're going to mix that up in just a little while. We're going to let that marinate for 48 hours. Okay. All right, so we got our brown sugar. We're going to give a little tart taste with this Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire. There we go. Not too much. Worcestershire sauce is very salty, and it has a very strong flavor. It can overpower things very easily, okay? So you don't want to add too much of that. 1 tablespoon is just perfect for this barbecue sauce. Now we're going to do some onion powder here. Our onion powder, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of onion powder. All right, spread that around like that. Nice, getting all the kids in the pool there, my friends. All right, onion powder. Now, you can use a Dijon mustard if you like. This is a mustard that goes in this barbecue sauce. I myself, I like to use the yellow mustard, okay, because I like that little sharpness of the flavor in the yellow mustard, okay. Because I already got spice in here. I'm going to add some other things that already have spice. So if I added the Dijon, it gives it a little different kind of spice. And I usually don't like to mix too many different spice flavors, like hot flavors, you know. I like to keep it consistent. Okay, so we're going to do some yellow mustard here. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of this, okay? There we go. There's 1. Doesn't want to come out here. There's 1. And 2. All right, nice and easy. Let me rinse this off. Perfect. All right, we got our yellow mustard in there, guys, and now we're gonna add some of a little bit of spice here with this here. We're gonna add some paprika next, okay, my friends. So this here is 1 teaspoon of paprika. All right, spread that around, nice. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is going to be good stuff. Look at all those nice colors in there, guys. You see how this is coming together? It's so much more fun making things from scratch than just dumping a bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's. When we don't have the time, yeah, throw some Sweet Baby Ray's in there. But you know, if you want to make this stuff and call it your own, get your own recipes together. Make it from scratch. There's nothing more gratifying than doing that. Put a nice recipe together, okay? So we got our paprika ring, guys. We're gonna add 2 more ingredients. We got our smoke, and we're gonna add our Himalayan sea salt for a little bit extra of a cure, okay? So smoke, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of this. Oh, this is gonna be good, guys. You're gonna like this one. All right, there's 1, and there's 2. 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke. And the last but not least, to help us with our cure so our jerky stays a little bit longer, Himalayan sea salt or Himalayan pink salt, not to be confused with sodium nitrate pink salt, okay? That's a very deadly thing if you put too much of that sodium nitrate in any of your beef jerky, okay? So we're gonna use a Himalayan pink salt here. This is just like a regular salt. Guess where it comes from? Himalaya, right? So we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of this Himalayan pink salt here, guys. So we got it. We are in. We got all the kids in the pool, right? You know what we got to do now. We got to mix this up, all right? So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to mix this up for you guys. We're going to come back in about 48 hours, and I'm going to cook this in the oven to 160 or above. Then I'm going to put this in the dehydrator. For me and my Weston dehydrators, it takes about 3.5 to 4 hours. I like to keep an eye on it in between there, just so I don't overcook the jerky or dry it out too much. Okay, guys? So let me mix this up here. That's what we're looking like. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is a nice barbecue sauce. See, you know, when you do this stuff and you're mixing. Now I'm mixing this barbecue up, and I've done this many times. This barbecue sauce. This is a nice flavor, a barbecue sauce that you made yourself. You can call your own. There's a lot of gratitude to that. So it's nice and thick. It's a nice barbecue sauce. And now somebody's going to say, oh, you know, after they try your beef jerky, oh, where can I get that barbecue sauce? What kind of barbecue sauce you use in that jerky? And then you can just smile at them. That's it, right? Here we go. All right, guys. Here we go. Look at how nice. This barbecue sauce here looks like I just went out to the store and bought it. And it smells like it, too. Let me clean up my hands. All right, you guys, look at this. This is what you made yourself. A nice scratch-made barbecue sauce, nice scratch-made beef jerky. Now you can turn this up a notch if you want to put a little bit more spice in. If you want to put some honey in it, you want to make it a little sweeter, more brown sugar. The bottom line is you can do it the way you'd like to do it. Okay, guys. Hey, listen. Fat Yankee here, my friends. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, everybody.